Okay guys, good evening. This is Nilo. It's already the 9 in the evening, Filipino time. And welcome back to my Be Quiet video. Okay, we're here again. So, my nephew is asleep now, as he has class tomorrow. Okay, let's do this. Our game is, will you press the button? Okay, let's do this. Will you press the button? You get your dream position at any spot you want, but you never win a major prize. Okay. I am living in this reality right here. Except I passed my board exam. Just not bragging my shit here. But yes. Here, any spot I want. So if I choose the CEO, I think I can get what the major prize will be. For example, if the major prize is a car, for example, a hypercar like that, I can get that by putting myself in CEO position. Get rich, then buy that car. See? That's how you deal with this problem, so I will press that shit. Okay, that's a 50-50 split. So I'm with the 50% or this part right here. Oh god. It's a 50-50 split right there. And next, will you press the button? You can play every video game ever with all of their extra content, but you aren't good at any of them and cannot improve your skills. Oh, that's so sad. That's a fucking sad situation right there. I can get anything, any video game that I want, but I can't improve my skills right there. Oh, damn it. I will not press that button. Because that's, it's good that you will buy the game, then you have to practice it to improve your skills. Whereas if you have so many video games in your life, then you cannot practice them and you can't improve your skills, then fuck that. I just wanna buy video games, then master it, then improve my skills right there. Where is this? No, I can't. Oh, 35% actually pressed the button. Holy shit. You can change anything you want about your body. But everyone in the world, the same gender as you, will get it too. Oh, I think I will press this one. Why? Because you will get famous because of this. You say, oh, this shit is unique, but this dude is unique because he changed. When he changed, I changed too, like that. So I will press that. Oh, 56% of the people agreed in me. So It's hard to explain, but I just wanna press that red button. Okay. You should be quiet, but never mind. Okay. You can teleport anywhere once per day, but one random zoo animal appears with you every time you do. Oh. That baby rolled. That baby rolled in my bed. Holy shit. Okay. Zoo animal, so random. Well, I think I'm not, because if that's a wild animal, like, predator like that, like cheetah, elephant, lion, or something. That's horrible. That will be a big burden to me. Like, yeah. So I will not. See, I can express. My mind can express what my mouth cannot say to you right there. I think I'm not good in English language, maybe, but I think you get the point, right? You get my point. Oh, actually, 26% didn't press the button. Damn, this is a catastrophe right there. If a random wild animal teleports with me, what if I teleported in a city where there are many crowds with me? Then that shit will be my problem. And the animal control's problem. You will create a constant Wi-Fi connection that works everywhere in the world, but it will malfunction at a random day and will work again 24 hours later. Oh shit, this is so hard. This is so hard. So fucking hard. I can't decide. What if I have a live streaming of YouTube, then the Wi-Fi suddenly crashes. Then I'll say, hey, I have pressed the red button, so because my Wi-Fi is like that, it is this. Then I said, 24 hours, I will be back. Yeah, no, I think I cannot live without, I cannot live with that what kind of Wi-Fi with me. I don't know, but I think I cannot live without that Wi-Fi, but my past self will. I think 3 to 4 years before I recorded videos. Yes. No, I will not. Hey, the mic boom, the boomer mic is good here. I have new boom mic. Yeah, that is steel. Right. Oh, 21% did press the button. Next, okay. So, whoa. You become the president of the United States. Steve Carlsberg is your vice president. Okay, let me look. Who is this Steve Carlsberg? Wait here. By the way, guys, I really love my setup of a microphone now, because I can move it whenever I want. Holy shit, this is good. Okay, let me search it on Google. Who is this? Steve Carlsberg. Steve Carls. Wrong spelling. Carlsberg. Okay. Okay, who's this? I don't know him. I really don't know him. Sorry about that. Well, if... Oh. I think... Night Vale. What's that? Oh, that's cool. The fandom says here he's the only resident of the Night Vale who understands something is not normal with the city. And he tries to decrypt the town's secret by revealing the signs of Honkatar, the goddess of Night Vale left in the sky. Oh, I think I'll press the red button. Oh my god, 52%. Didn't press the button, but 48% right there. Hey! Yes, I'll press it. As long as I'm an anime. Sorry, I'm a fucking otaku right there. I'm a weeaboo. Oh shit. Okay, maybe if at some point, what was that shit? Who is that? The pink guy? Oh, I guess. Yeah, filthy pranks. Notice the shit. Then fuck you, filthy pranks. Fuck you. I'm a weeaboo. Fuck you. Yeah. Oh god, I really wanna press the button, but only a weak minor character. No, I'll press it. Fuck that. Fuck life. Fuck life. Yeah. Oh fuck. 46% agreed with me. Oh shit. Fuck life. I wanna be an anime character. Fuck life. You can Google anything in your mind at any given time. But every 10 minutes, your brain watches. I'll press it. I'll press it. Oh shit. I wanna press it. I'll press the shit. 64% agreed. I can't stop giggling. Oh shit, I'm sorry. Bye. Oh, will you press the button? You get to sneak around the cardboard box, okay? If you get spotted, the cardboard box gets taken away. Oh. Fuck, I will. I was... Oh, that's so sad. Okay, I can sneak in the box. Then if I get spotted, the box taken away from me. That's sad. Oh, so I can find another box to sneak in. Yes. I was like a cat right there. You can have 3 wishes, but what double but? Holy shit! But you can't wish for more wishes. You can't wish for more wishes. And you can't wish for something that will change mankind. This is hard. But I'll press it. Nevertheless, at least I have 3 wishes. I can wish whenever I want. At least that shit. At least my wish is almost at the boundary of change mankind, and my wish is you get my point. 88% agrees in me. Holy shit. Okay. Oh, I left this. You'll be the smartest person on earth, but you're permanently drunk. Giggle fool. Okay. Fuck that. Fuck me. Fuck life. Oh, so most civil engineers are like this one. They are smart in the earth, in this earth, but they are almost after the project. They're almost drunk. As a civil engineer, I'll press the shit. Okay. Oh fuck! Almost 50-50 split. I can't. Holy shit! I can't. Okay. Okay, this question is for you. She's giggly fool. Please go. Okay, this question is for you. This question is for you. Okay. You'll have the ability to access anyone's Wi-Fi from anywhere and anytime. Bacon, Nutella, and Oreos never existed and never will. No, not the bacon Oreos. No. Okay, that's the end of this video. Holy shit, I'm a giggly fool tonight. Fuck. Okay. I hope my sister will never get angry or knock me in my in this wooden wall right there. So that's all, folks. See you real soon. Paalam.